Welcome back to Ethics.
Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pebi Putri. I'm from Senior High School 1 in Tapung. Now, I'm in grade 12 Science 1. So, in this chance, I would like to demonstrate how to use the vacuum cleaners. So, before I show you how the step, now, what is the material of vacuum cleaners? The material of vacuum cleaners is, for the first, I have the one machine of vacuum cleaners. Then, for the secondly, I have one HIPA. For the thirdly, I have one dust collection box. And I have the two large floor brush connecting pipe. And for the last material, I have one large floor brush. Okay? Now, how to use the vacuum cleaners? Let me show you. For the first step, you can combine the HIPA into one dust collection box, so that the dust will be shocked and filtered by the HIPA. Then, after the dust collector and the dust filter are installed perfectly, you can combine the machine of vacuum cleaners so that the dust doesn't go everywhere. You have to install it correctly. Like this. After that, for the thirdly, you can assemble the pipe of vacuum cleaners by installing two large floor brush connecting pipe. Like this. Next, for the fourthly, you can attach the pipe that has been connected and join it to a series of the dust collection hole on the vacuum cleaners. Like this. After that, for the fifth step, you can combine all the framework into vacuum cleaners. Next, if you want to start the vacuum cleaners, you can slide the power button up on the vacuum cleaners. Now, you can vacuum all the dust on the floor. If you want to finish, you can slide the power button down on the vacuum cleaners. Like this. Okay guys, for the ninth step, after you finish, you can take the dirt and blow away the dust.
Oh, like this guys, the dust. Ooh. Very dirty. Wow.
Okay guys, for the 10th step, you can remove all the framework one by one as before. Finally, you can put all the framework on the box. Like this guys. Okay guys, so that's all my demonstrations about how to use the vacuum cleaners. I hope the tutorial can benefit for us. Thank you for your attention. See you later and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.